Good morning. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. I have not traded because I can't. My charts have been frozen for 15 minutes, basically. Good morning, Applejacks. Like, if it's not one thing, it's another. I'm gonna write Trade Devils today and ask them. They're supposed to have like a 7-day return, not return, but exchange policy, and it's been 2 weeks for me. But for whatever reason, it's been happening since yesterday, and it's that indicator, because I had to start taking it off of my charts when I shut everything down, and then I load it on every morning. And you're about to see, like, my charts will load just fine, and as soon as I try to put that on, nothing happens. Good morning, Timbo, Apple Jackson, Million. How are you guys? So yeah, I have not been able to do anything. I can't even see the fucking chart. So what I'm gonna try to do is get them to exchange it. I kind of wanted to keep it, but how can you when nothing, it doesn't work? Now you see how, oh wait, you can't see. And you're gonna see like how quickly my charts load. Boom, it's loaded. Almost. There, we're loaded, no issue. As soon as I put that other indicator on, nothing happens. All right, so, and this is so frustrating because with up, down, there's nothing I could do for any data that's on the chart this entire morning so far. Like, I just don't be understanding. What do I have to do to get some shit to work properly around here? All right, so what I'm gonna have to do is use the I guess I'm just gonna have to use the NinjaTrader order flow volume profile. I don't know, but I really wanted to keep that other order flow indicator in case I ever decide to not use Renko's, which I highly doubt will ever happen anyway. But I'm gonna see if they can exchange it out for their volume profile, because I can't deal with this shit every fucking morning. Good morning, Trader's Chick. How are you this morning? I swear, I swear, it would be nice. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? Like, I just want to trade. That's it. I don't want to deal with all this extra stuff for what? I didn't ask for this at all. All right, we already had the low impact news. We do have high impact news coming at 9 o'clock. So I'll trade for like 8 minutes and then I'm gonna stop for a while. But yeah, I'm just not. I'm just not. What's the VIX this morning? You traded gold in Asia. Nice. Nice. But yeah, Trader's Chick, it's like I do enough to screw myself. I don't need my technology to screw me too. You know? I would just like it to work properly. That's all I ask for. That's it. That's all. Oh, the VIX is actually pretty high compared to what we've seen. So I just just want things to work properly. That's all a girl asks for. That's it. My God. Janelle hates you now. Ooh, 34.80 in London. Nice. You shorted that gold high, about to take profit. Nice. It's the shorted for me. Timbo, what you on this morning? Ay, ay, ay. All right. I kind of would rather be on a 20 tick chart, but I'll stick with this for now. Oh, happy Friday. The opposite. Timbo. Lord, now you finna have Apple Jackson here acting a fool with your language. Let's see, 151. I'm so annoyed. And I'm going to be even more annoyed if they tell me that they can't exchange it out. Because how am I supposed to use something that doesn't work for me? This was a sell I was looking for. The market's actually moving a little too fast, to be honest. I guess I could go to a 20 tick chart. It's not like it means anything right now. This is not like I can pull data from earlier. It's just too much going on right now. I haven't seen the market moving this fast in a long time. You know what? I am about to go to a 20 tick chart. What does it matter? It doesn't. Might as well. Because it's moving so fast right now, I'm going to get annoyed. So we're going to do this 22, 23 instead. So I'm not gonna be able to use today's data anyway, so it doesn't matter. Whatever. Good morning, Janelle. Good morning, New. How are you guys this morning? You going back at 8 a.m. tomorrow? Nice. Nice, nice. You traded London too, Trenches? What is Chanel doing to you guys? Oh, it's tariff day again? Oh yeah, is that what the all day? No, that was the vehicle sales. All right. So hopefully, the volume profile on Ninja will show like it's these lines here. I'm pretty sure the purple is the value area high and low, and then gold is the point of control. But I don't really understand how the point of control will be all the way up there. But whatever, I don't know. I don't care. We're just gonna go with it. And I'm just gonna have to reach out to Trade Devils and see what they can come up with. Because I did record earlier how my charts were moving fine until I tried to load that indicator. I also took a screenshot this morning. It was literally frozen. And well, the first time I loaded it, it was just delayed for like 5 minutes, but it kept going up, like it never caught up to itself. And then I had to close down, and then when I reloaded, it just never loaded. All right, let's see what this high impact news does. I'm so mad. Like, it's always technology issues. Always. Always fucking always. So annoying. Come over the green pastures, my people. Relieve your stress for being cut off, Jenny. Girl. No, I'm glad you liked it though. Is it something you could see yourself sticking with for a while? And how often are you gonna do it? Oh, my Nightbot just be so behind. I ain't gonna lie. Seeing the tech issues this morning, I almost just closed my charts and said, fuck it. But since I already didn't trade a day this week, I said, well, I guess I'll just go ahead and get on. This is actually till like 8 something. I don't know. All right, another minute, and then I can attempt to try to get into a trade. Try, I guess. What? August 14th. I don't know. Two times a week for a year. Nice. 1 year inflation expectation higher than you need MNQ to get you at 803. Oh, almost. The market doesn't like it. Kind of surprised you didn't call it a day. I was close. Am I having technology issues? Yeah. The Trade Devils order flow indicator that I use that puts the footprint chart at the bottom and gives me the volume profile on the right. For whatever reason this week it's been fucking me up, but especially yesterday and today. So yesterday it screwed me up as well. But this morning, as soon as I loaded my chart, I had a 5 minute delay and it just kept increasing. So and it wasn't fixing itself no matter how many times I double tapped the chart and stuff. And then I shut down NinjaTrader, reopened it because I noticed a while ago that it was lagging my charts in the morning, like making it to where it took forever to load. So I started taking it off of my charts in the morning. I mean, in the evening, when I'm done trading, I'll take it off before I close NinjaTrader, and then when I load in the morning, then I'll just put it back on. And yeah, I tried to do that this morning and it just was frozen. So yeah, yeah, that is the issue this morning. So I don't really know. I'm over it. I am. Doesn't like that. Am I still in? How am I still in a trade? Is my Oh my God. Is my copiers on? Well, I lost the trade on the leader, but won it on the follower. Whatever. Whatever. But yeah, so that's kind of what the issue I'm having right now. Okay, there's a connection problem there. I don't know, man. But yeah, so issues, issues, issues. What can you do? And the biggest problem is, well, all right. The biggest problem is they have like a 7 day exchange policy. And I'm like 14 days in, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know if they're going to exchange the indicator out for me or not. No idea. They're probably going to tell me no because it's been too long, but what the fuck am I supposed to do with that indicator? I don't understand. What am I supposed to do with it? There's nothing I could do with it, so. Oh. Well, I tried to get into that trade and it just took off. What? Am I delayed? No. 32.4. There was like a mm, there was like a point 0.4 difference in the close of that bar. And even though we popped up like that, I didn't get filled. I saw the order pop up on my chart for half a second though. It popped up for legit a half a second. Let me go back. Gold is running because the US dollar dropped over 1%. Oh, market. I'm not thinking about getting take profit accounts. I thought about it. I think the account that I have right now is on that same promo. I just gotta get it to a payout. But I am thinking about it though. TPT didn't have live trailing drawdown, but it's only until you get to the payout threshold. You would just have to take smaller base hits until you get there, but once you get there, you're good to go. I don't know. For me, I definitely was thinking about it. I just don't know. Don't know. I was gonna get into that too, but I saw it pop up 850. No, I would have gotten stopped out. There's something. But yeah, I'm thinking about it. We'll see. Right, so stay go with that works for me. All right. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna get one Amelia. We'll see. Ever use Trade Day? No, but I know Trade Day is the same. They're kind of like TPT's competitors. That's why usually those two will run the same promos. I know the Trade Day is end of day, but you have to trade for 7 days, 7 trading days in the eval. And if I'm not mistaken, you have to trade it the same way each day. I think it's something like where if you like, even if you hit the consistency, if you, let's say that it's a 40% consistency rule or something, I forget what the consistency is because I haven't looked that much into them. But I feel like I've heard people say that they can deny giving you your PA if you hit the target like in a few days and then you just flip the rest of the time. Again, I could be wrong, but I feel like that's what I've heard. I think. So I think that's some people's only hang up really. But if you're gonna trade, if you're not gonna do the whole flip game and stuff, you should be all right. All right, let's see if I can get this account back green. Equal swings. Putting control in the wrong place. I think I was on some bitch better not come back down. Hopefully that's the bottom of my nights each day. I'm so outdated. They changed what Applejacks? Oh, you talking about with TPT? Yeah, TPT is, or are you talking about, I don't know which one you're talking about. I'm sorry. Throwing this for the taking. You're gonna have to break even. Currently using trade day to use trade evade. Nice. Yeah, no, Applejacks. It's still trailing drawdown, but once you get to the so if you use 50K accounts with TPT, once you get to a balance of 52,000, it stops trailing. So a lot of people have been liking trade day and TPT together, because I think now with trade day you can have 5 accounts. Is it 3, 5? I don't know. It's hard to keep up with all these people. This is why I cannot be one of those people who is an affiliate with everything under the sun, because I just feel like I have a certain moral duty to know everything there is to know about each one, and I'm not doing that. Precisely. I'm not. It's too much. My brain can only hold so much information. Can only hold so much. The one thing I will miss about having that footprint indicator down there is being able to look at the volume numbers at the bottom. It's so much nicer. Oh, well, that's okay. That's late. I thought I got into it before the bar closed, but I wanted to be in the buy. I just got in late somehow. I thought the bar hadn't closed yet. That's my fault. And it ran straight there. I don't even know if I would have gotten filled if I was in early. No. If I was in on time, I wouldn't have gotten filled. The bar closed and just skipped right on through. Skipped right on through. All right. Oh, that was the buy right there. Ugh. Hopefully, Trade Devils gives me some good news and tells me they'll let me exchange this indicator. That way I don't have to have a funky ass attitude all weekend. Cause, ugh. Ears and shrimps on me. Nice, nice, nice. Janelle said, fuck that shrimp, give me lobster and steak. You didn't know that, Apple Jacks? Yeah, that too, Janelle. I'm not gonna put my name on everything anyway, but you know, I try to be okay, I don't want to stay active because it's not like I talk in these discords, but I try to be active in some of them that are pretty active because, you know, they talk about all the happenings and what's going on in different props and stuff, and just knowing like some of the rules and stuff in general so that if people ask me, I kind of know, you know, because I know a little bit about some of these even though I don't trade with them. Just a little bit, not too much, not too much. I know what I need to do. I know exactly what I need to do. See, I need to put the vertical back on my chart. That's what I need to do. Why is the order still there? That order should have automatically canceled itself. Why didn't it? Everything just don't work today. Limit entry, 25 ticks. What? Why would it be that? I don't know. I'll fix that later. Yeah, that's supposed to cancel it. I don't know why it's on 25 ticks. I haven't traded a 26. That means it's been like that since I was on a 24 tick chart. Jesus Christ. Fix it, fix it, fix it. Oh, of course, you change at the last second. It's gonna lose. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Because when I was trying to get into this, that order should have canceled itself. I don't know why it didn't. I don't know. I don't know anything anymore, you guys. You haven't cared about TPT since like 2 years ago? Girl, you better get with the times. If you are interested in trade day, TPT is the same thing, shorter eval, 50% consistency. You can hit it in 2 days and then flip the last three if you want. And right now, like Amelia said, they have the promo where it's 40% off, no activation fee, and if you get it to a payout, you'll get the 1 month of, whatever you pay for the eval, you will get that back with your first payout. Girl, get with the times. 42. Now I have to cancel these myself. Matter of fact, why wasn't I fit? All right, y'all. Something is up though, because let me show y'all. Oh, that's why I am slow. I'm so slow. I'm like, why am I not being filled? Okay, never mind. Never mind. Just never mind altogether. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I have now figured out the problem. It's because my indicator that I look inside of the charts, it was still on a 16 tick chart. So I'm literally trying to figure out, like, why am I not being filled when it's clearly showing that I should be? No, you weren't. All right, let me see if that fixed it now. Okay, yeah. So like me trying to get into that buy right there. That's why I wasn't filled there. Okay, never mind, guys. False alarm. Well, no, still the indicator that should take me out if I'm not filled at a certain time, that setting's not correct though. All right, so let's get back to it. I only have like not a lot of drawdown left on this account, which is very annoying actually because I don't want to. I guess I'm gonna have to. Whatever. You need to start a prop. I'm in. You have a trading account. Renko, sounds like you about to start something. Let me tell you something. If anybody decides to trade something that Scott puts together, you deserve to be rug pulled, actually. You do. Because why would you do that? Why? That just doesn't even make sense to me. But you know, that's just like somebody said that there are people in the what do you call it? In the what is those people called? Precision funding. There's people inside of that Discord saying, you know, they haven't been paid, they're waiting for payout, blah, blah, blah. And people are literally still going in there asking about sales, asking about, and they said it's a lot of people saying that they have not been paid out or whatever. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, child. This market is just moving so fast. I'm just not a fan. Slow down. My eyes don't even work that well this morning. Just slow down a little bit. Jeez Louise. I mean, the type of volume we're putting in so quickly is crazy. What the hell? Like that candle already has 600 volume in it. That's crazy. I'm more mad that I can't use any data. I couldn't use any data yesterday. I don't know if you guys know, but as I was trying to say bye to you guys, my whole computer crashed. Like I looked and I'm like, my whole computer was frozen, not just my charts. And then I got the blue screen error that happens on Windows computers. And it was like, we're repairing things kind of thing. And yeah, so I had no data for yesterday. And I'm not going to have any data for today because of tech shit. So to say I'm annoyed is literally an understatement. Literally. The market's just so volatile today. Thought we would push down from that. Now you do. Oh my God. That's exactly what I was looking for, you funky bitch. 234. I'm so annoyed. Sorry, let me go back. 1,000,000,000,000%. Him and that idiot Sage girl, don't nobody like them too. Like a blue screen of death, yes. Yeah, it's so funny seeing how much it's going up from where I got into the buy down there. Because we're still down 1.65% for the day, which is crazy. 49. But yeah, I don't know why anybody would touch anything that they are a part of. Anything. I don't think I like this. Yeah, I don't like that rule at all. I think I lost one of those earlier. Oh, everything's down about 1.5%. Good morning, T Money. How are you this morning? Oh shoot, I didn't realize. Sorry, y'all. P&L. Y'all ain't tell me my P&L wasn't showing. Got me over here looking like I'm trying to hide things. Yeah, I don't like that rule at all. Glad I waited. Hey, cancel. Hey, cancel. I've lost so much progress this week. It's not even funny. So much, so much, so much. What kind of flash was that? Fuck this market. Timo say you a little too expensive for his blood, honey. What's wrong with the computer? So the P&L. Oh no, Amelia. Nah. I genuinely because the way that I have to do OBS, I have to like kind of load that every morning as well. Not load it, but there's a certain thing in OBS where I have to like put it on there or whatever. Nope, we're gonna go back up. How much What time is it? All right, you guys, I'm done for the day. Between the tech issues, I just don't feel like dealing anymore. I'm sorry. Yesterday and today have been like my wits end kind of thing, and I'm just a little over it at the moment. So I'm exhausted too, Janelle. I'm over today. So yeah, sorry. This whole week has just been a wash, to be honest with you, besides whatever day that was that I traded pretty well Monday. I don't know, but I'm just over it, and I just can't anymore. I'm over it. But I thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day, your weekend. Be safe. I'm out. I'm exhausted mentally. I can't right now. Bye, guys.